Merry Christmas, everybody! How was your Christmas Mass? Okay ba? Sa akin, ang daming aberya. Una, parking. Ang hirap mag-park papunta dito. Pangalawa, pagdating namin, walang upuan. Ang dami ng tao. Buti na lang may dala kami sariling upuan. Pangatlo, nako, ang dami kong sasabihin sa'yo. Pero isa-isa na lang. Ang init dito. Sa gym lang kami, dito simbahan. Pero dito talaga kami nagko-community mass. Ano pa, yung choir, ang galing kumanta. Kaya lang, alam mong pagod na sila. Wala nang energy. Siguro kakasimbang gabi songs. At yung pare, ang ganda sana ng sermon. Kaya lang yung microphone, parang chipmunk siyang nagsasalita. Kaya every time siya magsalita, natatawa ako. Ang daming nangyaring hindi maganda. But let me tell you this, God still showed up. Nagpakita pa rin ng Diyos. Kahit maraming hindi magandang nangyari, nagpakita pa rin ng Diyos. Welcome to Gognats. I am Arun Gogna, and let me tell you again, even if the choir is out of tune, even if the priest is boring, God still shows up. And in your life, God will continue to show up. Pag may problema ka, nandyan ang Diyos. Pag masaya ka, nandyan din ang Diyos. God shows up. Why? The answer is because 2,000 years ago, He showed up in Bethlehem. That is why, that is His commitment to you. He will show up. Kaya kung anong bit-bit mo ngayon sa buhay mo, may problema ka, God will show up. Just call on His name, He is there. You are always in God's presence. Merry Christmas, everybody, and believe your God is a God who shows up. God bless you.